Wave hi to the camera, Steven. Say hi. Take your thumb out of your mouth, Steven. Take your thumb out and say hi to everybody. Hi. Steven, do you love brother? Do you want to give brother a kiss? So we can show everybody how much you love him? Want to give brother a kiss, Steven? No? Okay. Suppose brother will live without a kiss. Steven. Steven. Kiss brother. Kiss brother. Kiss him. Give him a kiss. Give brother a kiss. Yeah, I know. The screen's really tempting, isn't it? Doesn't brother look cute on the screen? Yeah, I thought so. Yeah. We're video recording him. Yeah, because he's adorable. You're adorable too, though. You know what's really adorable? When you kiss brother. Will you go kiss him? Go give him a kiss on the cheek. Go give him a... No, you gotta give him a kiss on the cheek on real life, not on the video. Yeah, that was close enough. Congratulations, Steven. Ready? You want to be on the video? Hi. Okay, that's enough.